Hi, I'm Tom Hall. I'm the CIO at Florida Polytechnic University, and I want to thank Pat Finn and all the folks that put on this conference for inviting me as a guest speaker to start off your session. So thanks again, and in regards to Pat, I want to thank him for his executive sponsorship and partnership here in the Florida Polytechnic University here in the state of Florida. You know, I got to know Pat at my last institution in New York City, and we performed a lot of advanced and emerging technology there that was state-of-the-art. And we converted from old technology into things like unified communication, advanced networking, high-speed bandwidth, and so forth, and wireless that was just modern and state-of-the-art. So thanks again, Pat. It's been a great run with you, and we look forward to continuing that here at Florida Poly. So let me tell you about Florida Polytechnic University. We are chartered as the 12th state university in the state university system here in Florida. As you may know, there's 11 others that include Florida State, University of Florida, Central Florida, South Florida. And so we're the 12th state university, and we're the first polytechnic university in the state system. So our vision is to create a Silicon Valley look and feel between Orlando and Tampa. We call it the high-tech corridor, and Florida Poly is the hub of that corridor. So we're focused on STEM, we're focused on students that graduate and immediately can make an impact and certainly get jobs in today's economic marketplace, which includes the DoD, which was mentioned earlier, as well as commercial industry. So in the next slide, in our first year of existence, we're creating two colleges, the College of Engineering and the College of Innovation and Technology. These are not run-of-the-mill engineering and IT schools and computer science schools. We're focused on advanced technology, marketplace-driven technology that our students are excited about, things that are on the upward slope of next generation's technology curve. So we're excited about that, and again, it's all STEM-based education. In the next slide, you can see we're shaping the future of education. We see ourselves as leadership in terms of our teaching methods, accelerated pace, client-based internships and co-ops. Again, we're student-centric, so we want our students working in the advanced state-of-the-art, and our faculty teaching, applying research, and using what's critical out there in the industry. Again, our partnership with key vendors such as Cisco are going to make that happen. So in the next slide, we're looking at national and global contributors. We're applying STEM research for real-world solutions. We're doing research at all levels, bachelor degree, master degree, and PhD degree programs. We're project-based coursework, industry experience, things that are going to translate right into the marketplace. As you know, the DoD, cybersecurity, cyber gaming, those are just examples of places that are really focused on technology, automation, and dealing with the worldwide economic model and quite frankly, threats that are in our industry. We're attracting high-level talent for our high-tech industries. In the next slide, you'll see that our technology on campus is going to be brand new, state-of-the-art. We're a digital campus, so student, faculty, peers connecting in all marketplace that's available anytime and anywhere, 24/7. We're fiber optic connections across campus, state-of-the-art Cisco-based networking, wireless, digital antenna systems for the highest speed cellular connectivity. That's what we're building. We're also, as part of that, which we're very proud of, is we have a campus control center that includes a network operating center. And again, this is something that we see as being advanced in the industry. It's operable, it's something that can control all the aspects of campus in an automated way. And we'll talk a little bit more about the buildings and technology on campus in a minute. So on the next slide, as you can see, we've got a few buildings. Well, I'll show those buildings in the next slide. But as you can see, we're focused on technology. We've got 32 classrooms, teaching labs, indoor amphitheater, which we call the Ala Magna Amphitheater, which is a tiered-based campus theater. Students can come there. It's open access. We're also going to teach and instruct classes there, but students can use that to perform gaming. They can look at videos, DVDs, and so forth. But this is something that we think is going to be very attractive and a showcase for our faculty and students. We have 11 research labs right out of the gate in the first year. Robotics labs, IT labs, wet and dry labs for our health sciences, chem and bio, and a clean room for nanotech research, which again is something that we're very excited about in the state of Florida. A little bit more on technology in the next slide. We're set up to operate from the cloud. So we're not building a lot of what's going to be considered last generation technology that becomes stagnant and requires forklift upgrades in the future. We're smart media, Wi-Fi, and all the different connectivity that is required for today's BYOD devices and things that are going to be on demand for students as well as our community partners. We're part of a virtual library. We have reference materials, ebooks, all loaded on our smart device. We're building the Poly Cloud that is open access to all e-resources necessary for our students to succeed and our faculty to have advanced teaching and techniques. So in the next slide, let me show you a few things that are being built right now in terms of our campus environment. We've got 200 acres right in between in Lakeland, right in between Orlando and Tampa. This is technology from the ground up. Our campus is really going to be special. We've got a 10-year master plan, and as part of that plan, we've got a flagship building that's our technology building. That flagship building is going to be the anchor for the first phase of our building relationship. And as you can see in that slide, there's a water quad that's right in the middle of campus. It's a tiered water quad, and we think that's also a nice attractive showcase as part of our university. There on the last slide, excuse me, there on the last slide is another couple of views into that, what we call the IST building. That building really is state of the art, from the infrastructure to the teaching labs, the applied research, and the things that we're going to have students and faculty doing in that building. So there we are, technology from the ground up. Again, we're very excited about our Polytechnic, our partnership and executive sponsorship from Pat Finn and the Cisco Corporation, and we look forward to what's coming in the future and starting this university this year. So again, thanks a lot for the time, and I appreciate being part of your conference and your session today. Thank you.